Today we are solving a problem of height and distance. Problem is this: at the foot of a mountain, the elevation of summit is found to be 45 degree. After ascending 2 kilometers towards it up a slope of inclination 30 degree, elevation is found to be 60 degree. Find the height of the mountain. It is very compulsory to understand the question. What is he saying? First of all, this is the height of the mountain, and away from the mountain, find the angle of elevation is 45 degree. Next, after the 2 kilometer inclination at 30 degree, 2 kilometer, it is found that angle of elevation is 60 degree. To find out the height of the mountain, A, B, C, D. Now draw a perpendicular from this point, and this is equal to 45 degree. It means this distance is equal to this distance, because tangent 45 degree is equal to 1. So we say that this AB is equal to also H. Now in triangle PQA, this is 90 degree, and we can say that AQ is equal to 2 into cos 30 degree, and PQ is equal to 2 sin 30 degree is equal to 2 into 1/2 is equal to 1 kilometer, and this is equal to 2 into under root 3/2 is equal to under root 3 kilometer. This is under root 3 kilometer, and this became h minus under root 3, and this 1 kilometer, this became h minus 1 kilometer, and this became h minus under root 3 kilometer. Now in triangle CPD, tangent 60 degree is equal to h minus 1/h minus under root 3. Solve this problem. This is equal to under root 3 is equal to h minus under root 3. Cross multiply. H minus 1 is equal to under root 3 h minus 3, and h minus under root 3h is equal to minus 3 plus 2. It is equal to minus under root 3 h minus h, and change the sign, plus minus. This is equal to 3. So this is 1. This is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, and h is equal to under root 3 plus minus 1 is equal to 2 under root. H is equal to 2 under root 3 minus 1. This is answer, and solve this problem by the calculator and so on. This became in kilometer. This is in kilometer, and we can solve it into meter out.